everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about Carvana core stock. In this video we talk about its pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. Stock is trading at 29.45 US dollar with 21.14% positive in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was at all-time high, so the fundamental stock is much pretty better than other penny stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and also comment all related queries.